Mastering Adorn. Boost your IELTS score with this versatile verb. Imagine walking into a grand ballroom, its walls adorned with sparkling chandeliers and intricate tapestries. This word adorn is our focus today, a versatile and expressive term that can elevate your IELTS writing and speaking scores. Word type. Adorn is a verb. Meaning, adorn means to make something more beautiful or attractive by adding decorative items or features. It's about enhancing the appearance of something through decoration or embellishment. Word history. The word adorn comes from the Latin word adornare, which combines add meaning to or toward and orner meaning to furnish, supply, or equip. This origin hints at the idea of adding beauty or decoration to something. Antonyms. Some opposites of adorn include strip, bare, or disfigure. These words convey the removal of decorative elements rather than their addition. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to adorn include decorate, embellish, ornament, beautify, and enhance. These synonyms can help you vary your vocabulary in the IELTS exam. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use adorn in different contexts. The bride adorned herself with delicate jewelry for her wedding day. Colorful street art adorns many buildings in this vibrant neighborhood. During the holiday season, people often adorn their homes with festive decorations. The ancient manuscript was adorned with intricate gold leaf designs. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse adorn with adore. While adorn means to decorate, adore means to love or admire deeply. Also, remember that adorn is typically used with physical objects or spaces, not abstract concepts. To wrap up, adorn is a powerful word that can add depth and precision to your descriptions. Whether you're writing about architecture, fashion, or cultural celebrations, using adorn can help you paint a vivid picture. Practice using this word in your own sentences to become more comfortable with it. By incorporating adorn into your vocabulary, you'll be one step closer to achieving that target band score of 6.5 or even higher in your IELTS exam.